Guys, I hope everyone is doing amazing today. I know you're having a bad day, that's why you're checking this video. So imagine you're gonna start your car and you will not start in the freaking morning. That's gonna piss you off for sure, but and scare you and give you stress and get all that. So but don't worry, we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna share with you here today what the things you need to check to start your vehicle. Okay, all the things that you need to know for your car to start. So before we get started, make sure to go to subscribe to my videos, guys, to my channel. Let's get this channel going, and so I can help you with some other videos in the future. And if you have any problem, make a comment. Of course I can make a video for you, just for you. I'm here to help you guys. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you need to check, the first thing you need to do actually is listen to your engine. What is your engine doing? Do you hear the starter going? Do you hear like cranking, turning over? If you don't hear that, which just means you have to go to the battery. The battery, you can test it, or it's dead. You need a boost then. Or if you hear clicking, and if you check the battery, and the battery is good, you boost it but it's still not start, then you got a problem in the starter related. So check the fuses, and if the fuses are good, then you have a starter problem, right? And if you boost it and it cranks but it doesn't start, it tries to start but it doesn't start, so you have a few problems. Now we're gonna go into the details. All right, so the engine, before you start, you need three main keys. You need air, and you will need fuel inside, and you will need spark, something to spark it to start. So you have one of these three problems after checking the battery and the starter. You have one of these three problems is not going, something is not working properly, which just means, like I said, the air, the spark, and the fuel. So the first thing what I used to do, I usually open this, I open the box here, and what I used to do, I use like some what's called starter fluid, and I throw it inside here, or even inside here the box, and try to start the car. So if the car starts, you have a fuel problem. If the car doesn't start, you have probably air problem, or you have a spark problem. All right, so how do you check the air problem? The air problem, what I usually do, I open this box here and let the air go in. Probably it is clogged. All right, and try open these screws here, and some cars have like some metal holders. You just have to unlock them, and release them, kind of thing, and open the box and try to start the car. And sometimes what I do, this is the mass airflow sensor. Every car has it nowadays, from 1995, I believe, and above. They all have that. I usually, like, what I try to do, I unplug these and try to start the car. If the car starts and die, then you have a problem in the mass airflow sensor. So the third thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go, if you try all this doesn't start, you have a problem then in the spark plugs. If the spark plugs doesn't start, like my car here doesn't have a spark plugs, because they have like glow plugs because it's diesel, but most of the engines are they're gasoline, so you have a spark plugs. And check the spark plugs. How do you check the spark plugs? You can remove a coil. The coil from the covers. This is for a video for people who doesn't know anything about cars too as well. So the coils, you have to unplug them. What I used to do, I put a screwdriver inside it where it can touch the metal, and they put it close to a metal piece like that, like any metal piece, like the hook here or anything that metal, and I get somebody to try to start the car, and I will see between my finger, this distance here, you can see a spark from the screwdriver, from the coil coming up to the metal here, and that means there is a spark. So one of these things I shared with you here, guys, is broken. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna check them one by one, and this is the only reason why your car doesn't start. There is some main other reasons, like some sensors that I don't want to go in detail, but they don't usually break. So those are the main things that usually break for your car to not start. So if you're going to the morning to start your vehicle, going to work, and this has happened to you, here is what you need to check. All right, subscribe, guys, if you have any other ideas. I know I didn't cover everything because the cars are very, very more complicated nowadays than the old styles. Please make a comment and allow us to learn from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Hopefully your car starts. Bye.